In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the API-MS WinCore WinRTL11.0 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser. It could be any of the browser that you have on your Windows. Simply search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first result. Scroll down and you'll find the download links. So know the system type. Go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. So the system type is 64-bit. So click the button corresponding to 64-bit. Now once done, click on the folder icon. Then make a right click, select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL files. Right click, select copy. Go to this PC. Double click on the Windows C drive. Go to the Windows folder. Double click on that. Locate the System32 folder. If you're a 64 system type Windows, go to System 32. If you're a 32 system type, go to SYS WoW 64. So I'm a 64-bit, go to System 32. Right click and then select paste. Once you have pasted it here, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. And the next thing that we can do is to open a browser again. Simply search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first result. Scroll down and click the download link that corresponds to your system type and simply install the Microsoft Visual C++ on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.